Hey guys, this is Lori with LM's Crafty Creations, and I have a new project to share with you. This was the same tutorial that I did for the whatchamacallit, the latest Craftology box using the Photoplay Gnome for the Holidays Thanksgiving paper. Before I made that album, I actually made this album first as kind of like a test, I guess you could say. And so this one is just a tad different from the other one. So I did use a 6x6 paper pad, I think exclusively on this one. I think. You can tell because on the front cover, this is just a piece from the 6x6 collection. This one, I used the Simple Stories pumpkin spice paper, which is an older paper, so it may not be available anymore. But I'm trying to use up papers from my stash, so you might notice pretty soon that I'm going to be doing some projects that have older paper collections because I'm trying to get rid of some of it. So anyway, this is a full 6x6 piece. It says thankful and grateful. I did a little strip to make up for what I didn't have. This is the spine. I did use the Tamara's Easy um, album cover method, I guess you would say, for this album. This is the back, and it has the little hexagons that I like to do because, you know, it's the back. Nobody ever looks at the back. Inside, there is the same feature with the little waterfall flaps. This is a pocket that I created that um, actually I didn't create it. It came with its collection and I cut it to fit here and just glued it down is what happened. Here is a little cut apart and a little booklet. And then I had the chipboard stickers, and I also had the enamel dots for this collection. So I had quite a bit of stuff to get rid of for this one. This I used a chipboard pumpkin, some enamel dots here. These are 2x3 photos. I added a lot of 2x3 photo spots in this album. So this folds, I always miss this page, over, and you have spots for two full-size photos, another chipboard piece, folds over again. You can write what you're thankful for there on that cut apart. And then it is a photo mat on the other side that holds a 4x4 photo. This was a cut apart, a little 2x2. These are 2x3 photos. This one is a 4x6. I did not put any mats in these pages like I did the other one. This is a 4x4. On this one, instead of the pocket, I did a belly band, and I like the pocket idea better. But I just did the belly band, added chipboard buttons there, and these are just some photo mats. That flips open. Again, little chipboard buttons I thought were so cute. Little chipboard flower and vase. These are 2x3s again. This is a 3x4. Again, I did the acetate pocket, and this glitter gets everywhere. So it is a brown, very pretty glitter, but it doesn't, it tends to come off. So this side has glitter all over it. So this one had really cute pumpkin patterns. I love that paper. And then just a couple, this is a booklet, a couple of cut aparts, a sticker from the collection. 4x4, these enamel dots. This is a chipboard piece with some enamel dots. This is a 4x6 photo mat. This is another 4x6, and then two 3x4s with some 2x2 decorations. This one is a 4x4. And then in the pocket here, you have like a 4x5 and a 4x4 in the belly band. And I kind of did the belly bands in different places on these pockets, so they're not always all the same. This is a 4x6 and then a 3x4 here, and then just some enamel dots to accentuate that flower. Again, the glittered paper, and then the booklet and the cut apart. Here, again, glitter. Glitter doesn't bother me like it does other people. I don't know. I mean, it gets everywhere, but I don't mind having it all over me. So a sticker there, 4x6 there. This, did I? Yes, I did it right this time. So enamel dots, I added them everywhere. These are 2x3s. This is a 4x6. Chipboard stickers. This is a 2x3, and I trimmed a little cut apart to fit here. 4x6, two 3x4s. Again, I did the 2x2s and then added enamel dots. 2x3 photos here with a little pumpkin in the middle. This is a 4x4. You could do a little journaling on this pumpkin, a little sticker there, and then a 4x4 and a larger one there. And then just two spaces for photos there, and then the little chipboard coffee cup. And there's the back. Again, a cut apart and a booklet. And there's that cute paper. So this one, again, this collection came with all kinds of stuff. So I cut this down to fit in this pocket. It says blessed beyond measure. So you could put a photo there, or you could just journal right there, or whatever you wanted to do. And then there's two cut aparts here. And that fits there. Okay. So yeah, I decorated, with the exception of this paper. This paper is 12x12 because I was running low, but you could just do a plain color of cardstock there just fine. And I matted the rest of everything with 6x6 paper pad. So if you want to use up your 6x6 paper pads, this is a good album to do that. So that is my album. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.